The whole city, the whole region is shaped by the water.
The amount of days where the flooding gets to a point where it's coming over roads and overrunning parking lots is on the rise.
The key to sustainability, the key to successful environmentalism is people and community. We're trying to find that common bond. We're trying to see the world and learn about people and learn about what's going on and different ways that we live our lives, but I have a feeling at the end of the day we're all a lot more similar than we maybe give credit for. And so to appreciate the differences but celebrate the similarities, I think is really neat, and that's that human bond. And I think you have to connect with people on a personal level, on a people level, to have a result on the other side too.